Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, dragging you around, but there you go. And you see before you a 12 by 16 inch or 30 by 40 centimetre canvas, to which I've added some apple red, and it's really bright. And over here I have white, gold and black, and of course a little more red, to which I have added OGX to the white and the gold, but not the red or the black. And so I'm going to start, I think, with the black. No, maybe not. Maybe the gold, just for a change. And these colours are a lot thicker than what I usually would use, but I want to try out something I've been thinking about for quite a while. And it starts off like one of those blob paintings, but it's not going to be, well, yet. If it doesn't work out, it'll end up being a swipe, because I don't think I want to lose all these lovely colours that I have. And some gold here. Right. Now a bit of black. Going to be fun, I think. Right, getting a few dribbles, but I think they'll be okay. And some white. I don't mind these little drops. As a matter of the fact, I'm thinking they will come in handy. Okay, so that's, oops, you didn't get any, you can have some. Let's try a few that are just white. Do that as well, why not? Hopefully. And I'm going to put a bit of red. I know I have a red background, but it won't hurt to have a couple of red. Right, and I might just that as well. Because I quite like that. And now I'm going to mess the whole lot up. And turning it around to you. They've all gone over. Ooh, I like this. But I'm going to give a bit more of that. Hey. And I think, stop it please. I'm busy here, look at me going. Okay. This is big, stop it. Okay, and then I might, whoops, nearly took a lot. Run them back this way. See if I can get them to go over the edge here. We're going over. Getting closer. This one's done the right thing. Here's number 2. Okay, they've all done that. Oh yes, this I do like. Just bring it down a little bit to the centre, and then I'm going to put the torch over it. I don't know that I'll get any cells simply because it's had a lot of rocking and rolling, but one never knows. I'll just wipe my hands off. I have a cloth, and that is really nice. Oh. So you get locked up for a couple of months and then the brain starts to work. Some red on this corner where I touched it. Here are my other corners. Maybe a little bit on this one. There you go. Okay, so, whoa, how cool is that? Alright, I'll bring you down to take a look, and the recipes for the paints and the pouring medium you'll find below this video in under show more, along with a link to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. You're more than welcome to come and join us over there. And I really like this one. I'm going to do another one in a minute. Alright, and what else? Oh, if you haven't already subscribed, please do. And click the little bell beside that word, and you will be notified then by email as I put up videos into YouTube. It's really quite cool. I like this. Okay, well, thank you very much for watching, and I really do hope you've enjoyed. I got excited. And I'll catch you in the next one. Please give this the thumbs up. Bye for now.